Hey guys, Dave coming at you here with a very simple and easy, nothing profound breakfast idea. Some eggs and salsa. You can make this in about 20-25 minutes, serve it up with some bacon, and it is incredibly delicious. So let me show you how to do this. So first up, I'm going to grab up the old cast iron pan and spray it with some baking spray. It doesn't have to be cast iron, but it is going to go in the oven, so you want something oven proof. Then I'm going to throw in a cup of mild salsa. You can use medium or hot, whatever you like, but I just like the old mild. And I just picked this up at the grocery store. You can't make it from scratch, but you know, it's a lot of work. So we'll just go ahead and kind of smooth this out until it covers the bottom of the pan. Next, what you want to do is use the spoon and make about 4 wells in that salsa. I don't know about you, but I just love salsa, and I even love saying salsa. Salsa. Just so it looks something like this. You don't have to be too fancy at all. Crack 4 eggs into those wells, and I guess probably, you know, if you're using a bigger pan, you could use 5 or 6 eggs, depending on how many people you're feeding. By the way, living in the country, the other day I got some farm fresh eggs, and man, oh man, were they ever good. Then of course we're going to season this up with a bit of salt. Some ground black pepper, that's my fancy word for pepper, and don't take that away from me. A few sliced green onions or chopped green onions over top. Now we're going to slip this into a 400-degree preheated oven for about 12 minutes, just until those yolks begin to set. After the yolks have just begun to set, I'm going to go over the top with some shredded old sharp cheddar cheese. Then this is going to go back into the oven for another 3 to 5 minutes until those yolks have set to the point where you want them and that cheese is melted down. And there you have it, guys, a fairly traditional or non-traditional eggs and salsa breakfast. Oh, the family is just going to love this. It's fast and easy, and like I said, serve it up with some bacon and sausage and everybody will just go crazy. For many more breakfast recipes, check out our breakfast playlist. There are tons there of yummy recipes. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, give us a like, and see you next time.